Hey beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about vocational schools in New Zealand. Okay, these are schools that you can attend to learn trades related kinds of occupations like culinary skills, plumbing, welding, those type of qualifications. I know that a lot of you would want to migrate to New Zealand via the vocational training school route for many reasons, but one of them might be the fact that they might be more affordable compared to the conventional universities. So guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing some vocational training schools, okay, that you can apply to in New Zealand. I'm going to be sharing the most affordable options that I have found, okay, as well as the ones with reasonable scholarship offers that you can apply to, just to make it easier for you in terms of finances. I have initially talked about the visa requirements for the study visa and what you need to do to apply as a student in New Zealand, and you should click the link above after watching this video, okay, to watch how you can actually process your study visa, the requirements and everything you need to know about the New Zealand study visa, which is called the fee-paying study visa. So let's get right into it. So guys, this is the first vocational training school I'm going to be talking about, and just so that this video is not extremely long, I will be leaving every link in the description, so even if I'm not able to cover every single one of them, just know that all the links are in the description. And this is called NorthTec. Okay, all you want to do is come here, click on find the course, and you can apply to the specific course that you are interested in. Okay, so guys, this is another one. This is another training school that is a vocational training school in New Zealand. It's called Unitec. Okay, as you can see, there's even a scholarship available for 2025 students, so you can of course take advantage of that and apply. All you want to do is come here and search for the course, the specific course you want to pursue. So if you're into trades, you can click here. Let's just click to see what they have. You can see that they have automotive engineering under the trade category. They have building and carpentry. They have electrical and electronics engineering. They have mechanical engineering, plumbing, gas fitting and drain laying. So what you want to do is just come here and see which one suits you, and then you can apply. So we also have another one called Wintec. Okay, this is another one in New Zealand. You can come here and definitely check for all the courses they have. So I'm just going to click on all courses, and you can see that they have a couple of courses that you might be interested in. All you want to do is check. Okay, so if you're in agriculture, you come and click here and it takes you right to where you can search for suitable courses in that particular department, and then there are others, so just come and check yourself. So next we have the Ara Institute of Canterbury. Okay, this is another vocational training school that you can come and check. They have architecture and construction, art and design, business, digital technology, engineering, English, food, hospitality and tourism. So if you're a baker or a pastry chef, this is definitely something you want to click. So let's just click and see what they have. Okay, just come and read. Look at what they have here. The courses available. This is level 5. That's the New Zealand Diploma in Hospitality Management. Now, one thing I've noticed that some of their programs might not be available for international students, not just this particular institution. A lot of institutions, some would have programs that are not for international students. So it's important you check to make sure that the program you are picking, okay, that's the course, because these are different courses, right, under hospitality. Some may not be for international students, so just check. So here's another one, Otago Polytechnic. Okay, this is another one you can definitely try to apply to. All you need to do is come here and check the programs they have. They have programs in engineering, food and hospitality, horticulture, information technology. Just take your time to go through this website, okay? And I'm going to be leaving every single link here in the description, so you guys go click on it and go right into doing your research. Look at each program and each institution carefully to make sure that you're making the right decision, so you don't end up wasting your time. Okay, so guys, I hope this was helpful to you. If you found value in this, you can share the video with your friends and family, or anyone you know who would love to migrate to New Zealand via the vocational school route. Okay, this is definitely going to be valuable to anyone who gets to watch it, who's interested in using this route to migrate to New Zealand. Thank you for watching. Since you're here, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up? Okay, click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell icon as well, so you will be one of the very first people to get my videos whenever they drop. And until my next video, guys, stay kind and stay blessed. Bye.